Good night. My name is Sebastián Orlando Nieves Ariza. I am 20 years old and I am a mechanical engineering student at ETSI University. I also work as supervisor in an industrial environment. I am interested in industrial manufacturing, CNC machine modules and mechanical design. They enjoy learning about thermodynamics, structuring and manufacturing process. I like solving real engineering problems. My main goals for 2026 are to finish my mechanical engineering degree successfully, my knowledge in C programming and industrial manufacturing or on projects related manual design and develop skills in mechanical design and structural analysis. This goal important because the EU yield me become a better engineer and improve my professional future. My experience in industrial processes motivates me to continue learning and improving. To achieve this goal and is study and complementing my engineering courses successfully will practice engineering software and CNC programming or on real industrial projects and continue learning. It will also improve my English for better opportunities. In conclusion, my goals for 2026 focus on academic success, teaching, improvement, and professional growth. Thank you for your attention.